Hi. Right, I'm going to unbox a machine today that we've had delivered. Actually, it's one of two. Now, people usually ask me two questions. What's in the box? What do you get for your money? And also, will the machine run directly out of the box? So in real time, we're going to actually just unpack this and show you what you get for your money and how we can get these delivered straight to your door and you can get up and running very, very quickly. Now, the only thing I've done in advance, there's banding on the boxes. I've literally just cut the banding and pulled them out because that would be very boring. So now lift the box up. Okay, so right from the word go, we see we've got some items that are separate. We have in one box a pad drive. These come as standard, not options. Just put that there. And we get a standard poly brush, which is all good value for money, knowing you can run a machine straight away. We also have one charger lead for the onboard charger. Plastic bag. That'll be one suction bar, which much rightly saying. Suction bar is in there, ready to roll. Put that to one side again. Now, a little bit of board. It might sort of seem a little bit, what's that there for? They want you to be running without damaging the machine. A couple more wraps that we're going to disconnect. One. Put the other one on the top. While I'm just removing the strap, you can see it comes with batteries. These are gel sun and shine batteries. Good quality battery. And maintenance free. Right, so how are we doing so far? We've probably been at it now a couple of minutes. Got a couple of chocks to be removed. Looks like they've done away with a key, so there'll be some other information in here. Yes, there is. With the machine, you always get operator's manual, keys, guides, charger, etc. These have got little fobs on. They've gone and improved the security on these machines yet again. So I'm just going to open this bag. You're going to have two tags. I've not seen these at all. This is the first time. I am aware of them, but the first time I've seen them. One will be operator, one will be supervisor's key. By placing it on there and then hitting the button, we're hopefully going to get an on sign. Yes, there we go. I'm being eager. So that one probably is supervisor. Set up. Take her off. Close it down. Put that one on. Hit her again. She's lighting up. I'll put that one there for the moment. There, that's operator's key. So functionality, basically you've got a deck that goes up and down, and yes, it sounds like it's bursting into life already. Yep. So what I need to do now is remove the chocks. giving way, but actually the machine's off. So let's just leave that to one side for a minute. So, will the machine drive? Yes, the machine drives. It's in tortoise mode at the moment. Lively little thing. Brush down. Probably a little bit under 15 minutes so far. The bar basically will just offer up back a little bit more. There we go. Bar on. Just my error, not the machine's. There we go. So, there we go. So, I'll put in a little bit of water in now, which there might be a little bit in the tank from when they've tested it. That machine is ready to go. You can have great confidence that you will get long and plentiful uses out of the machine. Features on it: automatic scrub deck. Once you hit one touch button, she will go up, taking your brush with you. Simplicity for putting the suction bar down. It's with your toe. Simple as that. Yes, this machine will operate straight from the box. All I'd like to say is thank you for your time. If you've got any questions or you need any help on cleaning machinery in general, that's us, Sharp Maintenance, cleaning machine sales specialist. Telephone number 0116 254 6049, or you can get us at www.sharpmaintenance.co.uk. Thank you for your time.